What's up guys, TheCodingBeast here. So today I'm going to continue my TTT core series, and today's episode going to be for creating custom weapons. So this video going to be for adding weapons that is not compatible with TTT, because if they are, you'll just have to install them on your server. But first off, it's always better to find an add-on that is already compatible with TTT, because changing some of this stuff may cause some problems. Like the sniper I'm using in this example will lose its scope. So yeah, if you don't know that much about Lua and can't fix the base code, it's probably better just to find a pre-made weapon pack for TTT. So to make a weapon compatible with TTT, you'll have to open up the shared file for the weapon, and that is located in add-ons, the folder for the add-on. In my example, it's DSR50, and then Lua weapons, and then you'll have to open up the folder for the weapon. In this example, it's vendor_DSR50, and in there should be a file called shared.lua. I'm gonna use Notepad++ to edit this file. So the first thing we'll have to change is the base, and that's the change that can cause some problems. But you will need to call this weapon_TTT base. Save that, and that's the only default config you'll have to change. Now we'll have to scroll down to the bottom, and I'm just going to add a little comment here in TTT, and then we'll have to add all the custom TTT stuff. So first off is the swap.kind, and I'm just going to use the weapon. Yep, they're equal. I'm just going to use the weapon equip, and there's a lot of different types like weapon pistol, weapon heavy, weapon nade, and all that kind of stuff. I'm going to put a link in the description. Might also put the code for the TTT website, so check down there. And then the next thing we need to add is the swap.ammo ent. So that's swap .ammo ent, and there's again a few different ammo types: pistol, SMG1, revolver, 357, and buckshot. I'm just going to use the SMG ammo for this weapon. I'm just going to copy that right there and insert it there. And now the next option is the swap.canbuy, and that is what role can buy this weapon. If you don't want any weapons or any roles to buy this weapon, you can just type in nil, but I'm gonna do so the trader can buy this, so that is role_trader. If you want the detective to buy it, it's role_detective. So now the next value is swap.in loadout forward, and that is the same format as above. If you want the trader to spawn with this weapon, you can just copy paste this like that. If you don't want anyone to spawn with this weapon, you can just type in nil. And then for the last value, that is swap.autospawnable, and that is a true or false value. And this is if you want it to spawn automatically when you start up your server. I'm going to set this to true, even though I don't have a map that currently works that way. But that's pretty much it. If you go to the official TTT website, there's a few other settings you can play around with, but this is pretty much just the basic stuff that most of you guys are going to need. So that's it. Now your gun should be working for TTT, and I'm just gonna start on my server. So now back on my server, and you can see I spawned as a trader, and if I open up this shop right now, you can see there's a new weapon type, a new tool here called DSR50, and I can buy this and it works just fine. So that's pretty much it. There's a few useful commands here. If you use SVG1, you can type in TTT_force_trader or terror or detective, and you can also use TTT_cheat_credits. So yeah, I think that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Please go rate and subscribe.